Welcome back to What's Inside. It's been a few years. It has been 4.5 years that we have had the biggest statue in our yard, and we brought it to this gravel pit. It has, surprise, surprise, $10,000 inside of this Zach statue. So if you remember, there was a video where Zach from Jerry Rig Everything 3D printed himself and dropped it into my pool. You're bringing that into my yard.
Permanently.
Look what's come out of his mouth.
Yeah, it's a fountain, bro. I'm not gonna put it.
Oh my gosh, I didn't know it was a fountain.
Yep. So since I'm dropping this statue off at Dan and Lincoln's house from, you know, the YouTube channel What's Inside, they're probably gonna wanna see what's inside the statue, and I'm gonna leave them a bunch of presents that'll blow their mind.
Today is finally the day. Our job is to destroy this, find every bit of money, and not get injured. I'm going to get in the bucket. We're gonna get up there. Bring her up. Look at all that bird poop, but you're getting destroyed today. We've been cutting things open for years and years, but for the last 3 or 4 years, we just kind of took a break. And everybody's wondering, why haven't you cut anything open? And it wasn't like a big decision where we're like, we're just gonna take the next few years off. That's not what it was. It's just life happened. Lincoln started golfing. I started making videos on the family channel. And so Zach delivered this when we were cutting things open every single week. So before we cut it open, I need to ask you guys, like, should we keep cutting things open? Do you want us to start posting some more stuff of us destroying things? That's a question. You can let us know in the comments. Bobby Pendle, he has a company called Pex Excavating here in Southern Utah. And so we've been fortunate that he has a pit out here and we can store it out here. He had to stop some people from shooting guns at it at one point, and they were just like wanting to come out here and do target practice. And he's like, hold on, I'm happy we still have the cell phone on the butt back here. Where's a good place that I stand for this that's safe? All right, it's time. Pull the head off. Oh, I'm sorry, Zach. This is, oh! Clean. It just came clean. Oh, no, oh, there goes the fountain. It had a fountain coming out of its mouth. It is so heavy, I can't even lift it. Ah! That was unbelievable. This is how strong I am. The plan here is to lift this 12-foot tall, 6,000 pound statue off the ground and throw it down the cliff. Then we can start destroying it and find the money. I'm honestly shocked that the loader can even pick it up. Oh, it's gonna work. Oh! 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 Look at the dust coming up. Oh my gosh. I think you landed it directly on my GoPro.
Yeah, that's what we wanted, right?
It looks like those statues in like fallen countries,
yeah,
when
really
they take the ruler and they overthrow them.
Yep.
I will no longer be your slave.
Wow. You doing okay down there, Leslie, in the pit?
I am.
Good job. You did a great job. All right, we got Bobby coming down from the cliff. What a fun job. If you're looking for a fun job, kids, learn about becoming an excavator. Oh, look at that turn right there. Tank turn. Let's see if we can lift up that base for the GoPro. There's one GoPro that was directly under that, and I'm hoping that we can find it. It disintegrated, guys. Oh, that's legit. Look at it. It did smash down a bit, but it also turned off. Brand new GoPro Hero 13 I just set up last night. There's where it went into the ground. How durable are these guys? Oh, a little shattered. The lens is still intact. So if it did record, we might be good. All right, Zach is now separated from his platform. We're going to pick him up and smash him, just like Wreck-It Ralph. There goes his arm. I'm sorry, Zach, your arm is now broken. This is Operation Find All the Orange Things with the money inside. It is going to be a lot harder to get inside of this concrete than we thought. There we go. Okay, this is gonna be tricky. Oh my gosh, that thing is solid. We gotta find the money. Is it real? Oh! Oh! Look at that! The first bit of orange, and I see the dollars. $100 bills. We've got the money. 300 in this one. Woo! I feel like they like rubbed it in fish for days before they put it in here. Some people love the smell of money. I don't love the smell of this money.
I'm gonna keep dropping this until the torso.
Okay, deal. Look at that.
I think that's his butt.
We've got, there's a spot right here where one was, there's a spot right here where one was, and then there's this one that's still sticking in there. How much money will we get? Zach said that he put $10,000 inside of here. It would have been smarter or easier if he would have just put like one box full of money, like a metal box. But Zach wanted to make it difficult on us.
I'm gonna collect the money. $500 so far.
$500.
500 more to go.
Woo! We need more of the search party. Lincoln, come help. As many of you know, our son Lincoln is on a mission for our church for 2 years. He is gone, living on his own somewhere in the world, teaching nice things to people, which is fantastic. Our next door neighbor is also named Lincoln, and so we invited him out today. You're 14 years old, Lincoln? 13. 13-year-old Lincoln right here, our next door neighbor. Not the Lincoln we usually have in the videos, but it's a holiday right now, and I'm like, do you want to come help us destroy stuff? Oh my gosh, we have 5 Jerry Rig Everything money fossils in here. Why do you put so much in his butt?
So
Dude,
much in his butt.
This is money maker right there. Oh, Zach Subum. Come to daddy. There we go. I smell fish, which means I smell money. 6, 7, 700.
I like it when there's more hundreds to make it easier.
We got a long way to go. Okay, we got some more.
3.
Jared, I'd like you to smell this money and confirm the smell.
I'm not sure why I'm volunteering to do this. Oh,
How would you describe that smell?
fishy. Can I try it again? Yeah, it smells like it's been damp or wet.
We brought you because you're really good at laundering money. $200 right there. Gonna need a bigger tool. It's pretty solid. I smell green. $1,400. It is so damp and stinky. Bam! There you go, honey.
300. Yeah!
Look at that. We got the entire hip section right here. I would call Bobby Wreck-It Ralph. I'm more of like Fix-It Felix. I'm pretty wimpy here. Yes. 1, 2. Let's drop them again. Flick away as it hits. Don't ever give up. So we are now at 2,400. He's doing a handstand. Alex. Sorry, Zach. I know you're not supposed to bend this way. Woo!
Let's drop it some more, maybe.
Yep.
This little thing is smashed all the way. We need to get a really strong boulder to put that on. So he's gonna take that over, just throw it over there. He's like, let's just get a boulder and then we'll make a Zach sandwich. This is what I like to call a Zach sandwich. Boulder, smash. And it should reveal all of our money.
Whoa, yeah, like 3 fell out.
Whoa! The boulder was the play. We got like 4 or 5 of these things. The boulder idea was genius.
It worked out good. That was the only way to get this out.
Careful.
27. Oh, we got more?
3.
$3,000. We're 30% of the way done.
Awesome.
300. That's 3,300. $3,500.
2 more.
41. 43.
46.
Boom.
5. What? He's being generous.
200 more.
56.
56% done. I will say it's a little disappointing. The pieces are very small now, and we're just over halfway done.
Zach's laughing at us right now.
He is laughing.
Yes!
67.
Yeah!
69.
Nice.
Zach, you owe me food. It is making me want to work out. 78, 79, 80, 8,200. 85.
Count.
88. We're so close. $9,000. I'm gonna be honest here, I didn't think we'd get to 9,000.
No.
I thought we'd be short like maybe 7,000, 7,500. Maybe 4 more capsules. Can it be in these pieces? We'll find out. The final smashy smashes are happening. Come on, orange. Let's see some orange. Come on, orange. There could be like 2 in the head.
Oh my gosh, there could be. You might have to open it up when you.
Wait, was that? Did I see something in that when you turned it? Oh no, it's one on the ground. Is that new?
Yep, that's new.
Here we go.
Wait, that one might be.
300.
Oh, look at that.
96.
Oh my gosh.
Oh man,
One more.
we are 400 away. I wonder if there's 1 or 2 in the head.
We got an A. 96 out of 100.
It's true, it's a good point. That's a lot more than I thought we were gonna find.
Your head. Looks pretty good right there. Bye, Zach.
Stop real hard.
Bye. All right, we are really close to Zach's office right now. I've been driving for 4 hours this morning. We're gonna meet him. He's going to give me a tour of his facility. That's what he thinks we're doing, but in reality, I'm gonna be delivering this. Look at it. Stay there. Don't roll around. Not a wheelchair company. We found it. We found not a wheelchair owner himself. Welcome. Zach. All right, Zach, I got a present for you.
Okay.
Enjoy.
No way. What was my head doing in your trunk? That is so freaking weird. Dude, how did you do it?
It was not easy. It was really hard. The question that we all had, all of us as we were working on it, is why didn't you just put a metal box in there instead of all of these little pill bottles? My goodness. All right, what's your guess? How much money do you think we actually found inside of there?
I hope it's 10 grand because that's what I put in there.
Surprise, it is not 10. So
shoot.
What's your guess?
Judging by this immediate estimate, I bet you found 6. 7?
$9,600.
Dude, you found almost all of it.
And you get to keep the head, and I think the rest of it. Did you put any in the head?
I don't remember.
Going back to the original video, here is video proof that there is money in the head.
And it is done. Such a weird project, dude. I'm so glad it worked out.
It's so heavy that we need some of your guys. That's why I want to come to your office. So I can have your guys actually help carry it in.
All right.
But look at that. We have entered Zach's amazing Not a Wheelchair factory. This is where they're literally making wheelchairs right now. They have a giant laser machine right here. Every day they're shipping out wheelchairs to people for super low cost all around the world. This is a nonprofit. Back when you gave us this, you had said there's $10,000 inside of it. And then off camera, he told me, but you have to donate it to charity. Little did he know at the time that he would have a charity that's actually a really good charity that builds wheelchairs for people that could use $10,000, right?
Oh, for sure. This factory has been so expensive, and the 10,000 actually comes in really handy right now. So full circle.
Really heavy. Don't try to do it yourself, Zach. No. It'll hurt your back.
Yeah, it's too heavy.
Don't do it.
48 pounds is not the size of the head. This is the cart right there, 48 pounds. I'm surprised that's 48 pounds. We're going to take the head and put it on here. Throw your guesses in right now. How heavy is this head? Don't move it, Zach.
Throw it up there.
Right around 150 pounds.
No, that's heavy. How did I move that by myself today? Ah! Oh my goodness. Wow, no wonder my back's been hurting this week. That's heavier than I thought. That thing is dense. Does it look like you? Does anybody have a straw he can put in his mouth right now? What's the idea here? Where are we thinking of putting this? How do you feel about your head looking over the shop?
I think my head looks great.
When we first got the Zach statue, we weren't exactly excited, but it did become a normal part of our life and our family.
I told her thank you. Because I didn't know what to say.
It's good to see you, by the way. We actually loved the Zach statue, but if the price of destroying our beloved statue is that people in need get wheelchairs, this is a sacrifice worth taking. If you would like to donate to people in need of a wheelchair, the link is below. Thank you for the memories, Zach and Cambry. Zach sandwich. Oh, the Zach so bum. All right, we can cut.